Boom! Welcome to Crypto 897. In the digital arena, two titans clash over the future of cryptocurrency: AI assistants and expert opinions. Both wield influence, but who leads the charge in accuracy and reliability? AI assistants, powered by vast datasets and machine learning, analyze trends and make predictions at lightning speed. They never sleep, ensuring constant market monitoring. But can they grasp the nuanced human emotions that drive market swings? On the other side, expert opinions come from years of experience and deep understanding of market psychology. These professionals can read between the lines, interpreting subtle signals that a machine might miss. So what's your take? In the world of crypto, do you lean towards the cutting-edge technology of AI or the seasoned insights of human experts? As the debate rages on, one thing's certain: in the high-stakes game of cryptocurrency, having the right information at the right time is key. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Crypto 897. Have a great Sunday.